Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a horizontal line in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this one, the fifth. We have here the number one, and this one is the fifth. And choose horizontal line. And choose the place where you want to add it. Let's say, for example, here, as you can see. Now let's say, for example, we want to change the color of our line. Just hover over it and right click with your mouse and click on colors here. You can change it to any color you want. Let's choose, for example, this color, as you can see. If you want to change the thickness, go to this one, click on it, and choose any one you want. We have here also the type of the line. You can choose any one of these, as you can see. You can lock it if you want, like this. You can duplicate it, like this, for example, as you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.